I'm gonna show you an app that could help you to at least get a track on many ways that you can make money online. So this app is for Android only. I don't think it works on an iPhone or Apple. I haven't found it yet. So it's this one, Make Money Online, with the little cash sign bag thing. So as you can see here, start your YouTube channel. When it goes down, you could download it and see it by yourself, but once you click on them, any of them, you will get more details, and also the website that you need to do this. And honestly, there's no scam. All of these could work, but as a big disclaimer, it needs you to work. Even if you heard about passive income or active income, all of them, it takes work to get to where you want to go. After a while, passive income could be really easy and a lazy job, but first, and to set up the things, you really need to work hard. You have to see, like, most of the online opportunities, like if you were a gardener and you were planting seeds, it takes time for the plants to grow up. So that was it for the first video. I just wanted to show you about this app. I also can tell you that I went for this one, be a proofreader. I haven't tried their website yet. I made it on Fiverr, but yeah, that's where I made my first very $150. And as soon as I got it, I invested on software to get better on search engine optimizing, which I consider selling on Fiverr once I'll be better at it. So that's about it for this app. I'll come back for more valuable content soon. I upload a lot of videos weekly. Thanks a lot. I hope it will help you, and please comment if it does, or tell me if you have any more other ideas and you want to share with me how you make money. My most targeted ones are proofreading, making a channel on YouTube. I already got 3, but yeah, it's another story. I'll get there. But you always have to either go for targeted traffic or general traffic. I'll speak about it later. I hope you liked the video. So Make Money Online app. There's about, I'll go through the last one to see how many of them. There's about 55 ideas on how to make money on this app. Thanks, and have a great day. I hope we will share each other some tips on how to make money online, and I hope that I'll get better and eventually make my first $1,000 a month. I'm sure I will if I keep working hard and learn every day from the best. Thanks again.